Great, good afternoon guys. My name is Andre Steyn. I'm the General Manager at Westline Aviation. We're a pilot training school down in Bloemfontein, and we also do charter work. And we're exploring these days the drone world. So therefore my joining the RPAS Training Academy to come and get some training and to see what is there to learn. Yeah, I think it's two worlds that cannot be separated at all. They go hand in hand. The sooner you understand that, and the sooner you embark in it, and the sooner you embrace it, the better for any aviation organization. Because it is regulated with rules and regulations by a civil aviation authority, you got to adhere to those standards and rules. And so the sooner you get to know the industry on the other side as well, the better for yourself. I think a big thing is the safety aspect connected to it. If you want to really do it safely and keep in mind that there are other aircraft in the air, we are all co-using the airspace, and therefore we need to do it safely. And I don't think there's any other way that you can do it by doing it correctly. And therefore you got to meet up with the guys at the RPAS training and get to understand what it's all about and do it safely. I analyze everything, so I go and see what's available in the industry, and then I measure it. Obviously there's a few factors that you look at. You look at the standard of training that gets done. You look at cost, obviously, which is quite a huge contributor to a decision. And then promptness, in getting back to you. Sadly, not a lot of guys do get back at you, and that's a shame, because there are people out there that needs the information, needs to do the training, and the people that will react on it will get the business. And I just, from day one when I started searching and I got my phone call through to the training guys here at RPAS, they were on top of it. They gave me good feedback, and the price was just absolutely something to die for. Flying experience is very nice. It's an open field, so you've got a lot of wind factors here, so it's a little bit of a handful, especially me training now on the ATI mode on the drone. It's not the same as the GPS mode. The GPS holds everything for you. Here it doesn't get hold, so she becomes a handful, but it's exciting. You can't always fly in good weather, so you've got to have the wind as well. But I think this is going to be a facility that's going to be developed, and it's going to be something nice. It's nice and quiet. It's open airspace, not a lot of conflicting traffic. It's right in the passage of passing through aircraft, but they're high enough, so if you do it safe and you do the radio calls, I think this is a great venue. Yeah, I've been in aviation all my life. Started off in the South African Air Force. Started off in Pretoria actually, and then I was posted to Air Force Base Bloemfontein in 1993, way back. After 15 years, resigned out of the Air Force, did something else, and then came back into aviation again. So I've been back in aviation for the past 9 years. Like I said earlier, I'm the GM of the company, so I'm focusing more on the management side of the business. But flying is part of what I get to do on a daily basis as well, not commercially, but really having a lot of fun getting into the air. And obviously it's always a privilege, it's never a right. And I believe even flying drones, and getting involved in technology like this, it's a privilege, it's not a right. Yes, that's the idea. For now, we're going to focus on the commercial side. But while I'm here doing the instructor side, there's not a lot of instructors out there. So yes, I'm definitely going to do the instructors actually booked for next week. So back and do the theory next week, and then 2 weeks back home for the paper preparation, and then come back for the flying side of it, which I'm actually looking forward to quite a bit. Yeah, definitely. I think it must work the same as the real aircraft. You build on it. With aircraft, you build on rating, you get ratings, you get additional licenses. I like the strictness to it. I like the fact that CIA regulates it by Part 101. And it should be like that. So definitely you've got to build on it, because that makes it interesting and it makes it exciting, and it wants you to continue to develop yourself and grow in the industry. It's fun. I've got friends, they always mock me on a daily basis and say I never go to work, I go to my hobby. So well, I go to my hobby every day. So I never go to work. And I don't think I've ever worked a day in my life. If you're passionate about something and you love it, that's not work, it's fun. So look at this, I'm having fun today.
Yeah, my name is Onesmo Mgoa. I'm a survey engineer coming from Tanzania. I'm doing a course for flying the drone. Hopefully one time I'll be a drone pilot. Yeah, I came specifically for training on the drone and the associated program because we were going to buy a tool for doing a survey which is going to be mounted in the drone, and that tool necessitated us to come here. We are two of us. Then so the directives we had with our Swift geospatial people is to start training with RPAS Academy, and that's what has brought me here. Yeah, the facilities are cool for the purpose, serving the purpose. The instructors are cool, they're doing fine, they're so cooperative, they're polite. Once or twice we crashed the plane, but they never shouted. So generally saying is the facilities are very nice and very friendly. Yeah. For the first impression, for the first time, what we saw in the internet was RPAS Academy. And with the communications, we didn't have a chance to look for another place. We thought this is the best place to come. And straight away we decided we come for RPAS Academy and we'll do the course. To us, this skill, I can call it a skill, is very useful because we have a big volume of survey works we are going to be doing in the near future. We have about 3 projects. The minimum coverage is 100 kilometers. The maximum one is 300 kilometers. With this skill and with the new devices and software, we hope to achieve our goals in maximum level. Because our intention was to shorten the time of executing our engineering works. And for the time being, we think this is the only solution we can have in hand.
Yeah, my name is Dennis Kalangari. I'm from Tanzania. I came here for training, for a drone flight training. I think the instructors are cool. They are well instructing, and the facilities are well. The main reason is because we are purchasing the drone here at South Africa, so it was easy for us to come and train it here. Mainly we are surveyors. I'm a surveyor, so I'm going to use it for survey.